Hey y'all, welcome back, welcome back. So y'all, if y'all didn't know, Tyrese got arrested when he went to court the other day, y'all. He is behind in child support, and I watched the video, and he was talking about how him and his wife have been going through a divorce for, I want to say he said 3 or 4 years, 4 years, 3 or 4 years. And they've been through like 3 or 4 lawyers. Now, he says they have a prenuptial agreement, and there's some like issue that he was explaining about the prenuptial agreement as far as like his wife paying for the lawyers that she has, because she's been through 3 lawyers or something that Tyrese was explaining. But you guys, he is $73,000, I believe it said, behind in child support. Now, I'm not sure if this child support is like, the money is like back child support for how long ago. I'm not sure. But I do know Tyrese is feeling some type of way because he said there's a prenuptial agreement, which I'm not sure what that has to do with the child support. But him being behind on the child support for $73,000. I'm not sure how long that $73,000 worth of months or years or whatever is like, he's behind. But he was kind of talking before he was going to go to court the next morning. And when he went to court the next morning, allegedly they arrested him for being in contempt of, child support, for not paying child support. Now, he did mention a couple of things as far as like, his mothers of his children, like being thirsty or whatever. But at the same time, I can understand where he's coming from. But at the same time, whenever there is a child support order, that child support has to be paid. If for whatever reason the child support is not able to be made, then he has to get back in contact with the courts, with his lawyer, to make I guess an amended thing with the child support so that he could pay whatever he's able to pay. So say, he's supposed to pay $100, which this is just an example. If he's not able to pay $100, then he'd go back to court and, they will fix it and do an adjustment basically for his child support. Now, the $73,000, I believe it was, like I said, I don't know how long that was, but you guys, I do have to agree with Tyrese. Sometimes you got these women that will go after these celebrities. They will make a baby and try to make a payday for themselves. Now, I'm just saying, y'all, now I believe his wife has a good job, but at the same time, it's still a lot of child support that he would have to pay because of his status as a, Hollywood, actor, singer, person in Hollywood, because of course he makes a lot of money. I'm not sure how much his wife makes, but some women do that. They will get pregnant by somebody who has a lot of money, and it will be like a payday for them. So some women I have to agree with Tyrese. Some women are thirsty, and some women will get a child just, because they know they have that money coming in every month in a high amount, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month for one child, which is a lot, but they go off of income. But y'all, at the same time, on the flip side of that, was he paying his child support as he should have? And the reason why he got behind, is there a reason why he got behind? I'm not sure. Did he just not want to pay it? I'm not sure. But at the same time, he had to go to court, and allegedly he was arrested for being, behind on his child support. But some men, they will get upset and they will feel like they don't have to pay any child support. But they have to deal with that in the legal way. They have to go to court. They have to make the correct, proper, connections and do the proper paperwork that is necessary if they're not able to pay what is set out in the child support payment documents. But y'all, Tyrese is, I'm not sure how much money he has. He said he has, I guess the way, from what I grasped from what he was saying, because I actually watched the video of him talking the night before he had court, and he was saying he may get arrested when he goes to court tomorrow for the child support being behind. He's not sure. But if you know that, you're not able to make the payment, it's best, like I said, to get in contact with child support, because they will come and get you. But I don't know what the reason why he is behind. Like I said, I don't know. But I'm not sure if he feels like he shouldn't pay that much, or I'm not sure, because at the end of the day, I know when father or mother, either or, because mothers and fathers pay child support. Whoever doesn't have the child, they pay child support, and there, either way it goes, at $73,000, he's gonna have to pay it to get out, and that money will still go to the child, as far as I know. But did he not want to pay it? Or did he feel like that's too much money for that, for that child? I'm not sure, what the reason is behind him not paying it, but he said he has a good lawyer. I believe all of this is, I'm not sure if this is in Georgia or LA, in California, because he did mention that some lady jumped out the bushes and tried to give him some paperwork, and he didn't, he was like, I didn't get served because, the paperwork is on the ground. Like, you're loitering. I didn't receive the paperwork, like, basically in his hand or whatever. And I'm not sure if that's the child support in California for another child that he has. I'm not sure. But I'm not sure if the $73,000 is for the child with his wife in Atlanta. I think it is. But I know he had got served some papers in California. He said by some lady that jumped out the bushes, which was crazy. But I don't know what the situation is. I'm just going off of the video that Tyrese put out the day before he went to court. But like I said, some fathers, they feel like, they shouldn't have to pay a certain amount. And okay, but when you have a high income, you have to pay whatever is set out, with the parents, the mothers and the father's income. They look at both, and then they take whatever number, however they calculate it, and they do a fair number. Now, if one parent has a very high income, then of course you're going to feel like, it's an unbalanced scale. But really and truly, a child doesn't need a lot of money, all that. Some of them turn to $20,000, $30,000 a month. I've heard stories. I don't know. I can't, say if that's true or not, but I've heard stories like that. But it sounds right about true. If somebody's a millionaire, rich, and they have a child that's with somebody that's not working or a very low income, then of course they're going to get a high amount in child support. But y'all, with this situation with Tyrese, that's a long time to be dealing with, going through a divorce. It seems like a lot. Tyrese, he's, sensitive to the fact of a lot of things, which is okay. This is, some men are sensitive like that. That's okay, But I hope everything works out for Tyrese. I hope he's able to take care of what he needs to take care of. And I'm not sure why his divorce is being, dragged out for this long. That's a long time to be, getting and going through a divorce, you guys. But hopefully everything works out for Tyrese. He's able to, take care of, his child support situation, and hopefully move on and get his divorce soon. So where he's not continue to, go through another year being married and not being able to get the divorce finalized. But y'all, if I found out anything else on Tyrese and see, what happened, how long he has to stay in jail, I'm not sure if he's been released or not, but I just seen that video just right now. So I was like, let me do a video on it. But hopefully everything will be okay with Tyrese. Everything will be, peachy and creamy for him. But y'all, I will continue to bring y'all content on this. And soon as I get any updates or whatever, I'll do another video. But y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.